Welcome back to School Chat Academy with me, Tukur Hamid. We're going to learn comparisons of adjectives today. So if you're set, let's do it. Adjectives are used to show comparisons between two or more nouns. There are two types of comparisons in adjectives. These are regular comparison and irregular comparisons. Each of these has 3 degrees. The degrees are positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive. This is used to qualify a single noun. The comparative is used to compare two nouns, and superlative compares more than two nouns. Regular comparison. Method. There are two methods in this. The first one, the comparative is formed by adding er to the positive, and the superlative is formed by adding est to the positive. This method only applies to words that are monosyllabic, words that have a single syllable. Method 2. The comparative is formed by adding more to the positive, and the superlative is formed by adding most to the positive. This method applies to words that have more than one syllable. Okay, let's look at some examples in the next page. We have the positive, the comparative, and the superlative. Tall becomes taller, and then tallest. Short, shorter, shortest. Smart, smarter, smartest. Beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Powerful, more powerful, most powerful. Examples: Musa is a smart boy. Musa is smarter than Umar. Musa is the smartest of the 3 brothers. Here we used the positive smart to describe Musa alone. We used the comparative smarter to compare Musa's smartness to that of Umar, and we used the superlative smartest to compare Musa's smartness to those of his brothers. Williams is an intelligent boy. Williams is more intelligent than Jonah. Williams is the most intelligent boy in the class. Irregular comparison. This forms its comparative and superlative in an ununiformed manner. The positive, the comparative, and the superlative. Good becomes better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Many, more, most. Examples: Yusuf is a good boy. Musa is better than Yusuf. Muhammad is the best of them all. Here we used good to describe Yusuf alone. We used better to compare Musa to Yusuf, and we used the best to compare Muhammad to the rest of the boys. Some common mistakes. Two comparatives cannot be placed together. For example, Musa is more taller than Aliyu. This is wrong. We should say Musa is taller than Aliyu because tall is a regular comparison and a monosyllabic word, so they don't need more and most to form their comparative and their superlative respectively. Two superlatives cannot be put or placed together. Examples: Musa is the most tallest boy is wrong. We should say Musa is the tallest boy in the class. Thank you.